Welcome friends, in this one we're going to answer the following question. Does 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus 0.0001 converge or not? Okay. So first of all, let's make some preliminary observations that will help us answer that question. Take a look. We know that the first value is what we see in the list. It's just equal to here the 0.1. That's it. Is there something else though that we can observe about the list? Well, take a look. As an example, if I take 0.01 and I decide to divide it by 0.1, I'm going to get 0.1 as the output out of that calculation. If I take 0.001 and I divide by the previous value of 0.01, I'm also again going to get 0.1. See? Again, if I take 0.0001, I don't want to miss any zeros, divide that by 0.001, that would there be equal again to 0.1. There is, in other words, what we call a common ratio, whose value is 0.1. So we know the first value we observed as a common ratio. That's good evidence that what this list represents essentially is the following. This is a geometric series, if I can write that down. Well, now that we know it's a geometric series, let me remind you of the formula. So the summation as n goes from 1 to positive infinity of ar raised to the n minus 1, that's equal to whatever the value of a is divided by 1 minus the value of r. In our case, we know that a is that first value, it's 0.1. We know that r is the common ratio, it's also 0.1. This happens to be that way. You can plug in other words, it's going to look like this. Summation as n goes from 1 to positive infinity, and there's going to be 0.1, and then it's going to be 0.1 raised to the n minus 1. This would be equal to the following then. On this side, a, which is 0.1, divided by 1 minus 0.1. Work this out. That's going to be here 0.1 divided by 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. However you choose to do that on your calculator, however you choose to do it, this ends up being 1 over 9. And then this is in fact the sum. So not only does this series converge, it's a geometric series, we know that it converges to 1/9. That's the exact value of the sum. And that's it, friends. So if it's been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll hopefully see you in another video. Have a glorious day.